welcome to Tutorials and Gaming channel. Today we're showing you how to make hummus بطحينة. This meal is really easy to make and it's also tasty. As you can see, those are pepper, they are normal, they're not hot. And this is lemon, olive oil and cumin powder. And if you want to see more of our videos, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment and like. Let's start cooking now. So now you will need a pot with hot water. Then you will need is the chickpeas. This is 1 cup, but this is 1 cup. You can add as many as you want. So this is the amount of hours, 1 cup. You're gonna add it. And by the way, this is cleaned. You have cleaned it, washed it and everything. You're gonna add it, then you're gonna turn off the heat and you're gonna leave it for a whole night. So you're gonna set it aside. Then you're gonna cover it and leave it for a whole night. Okay, so now it has been 12 hours, a whole night. Now you're gonna throw the water away and you're gonna add water again. So you can see. A little bit. Now you're gonna put it on high heat. Then after, when you see it's boiling, put it on medium heat. Yeah, so it has been 2 hours in the pot with hot water, as you can see. If you want to know when it's ready, basically take one of them and just squish it. If it's easy to squish, then it's ready. So now you're gonna take those chickpeas and you're gonna add it to a food presser. Then you're gonna mix it. So after mixing it, you're gonna add either cold water or ice. So it makes it white. So guys, you can add as much sesame tahina as you want. Guys, you're gonna need 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And you're gonna mix it. Now we're gonna show you how to prepare it. We are featured in our video. Hope you like this meal. This meal is really easy to make and it's also tasty. And if you want to see more of our videos, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and share. Bye bye.